Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailgun for email delivery, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Mailgun website at mailgun.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once registered, log in to your Mailgun account. On the dashboard, locate the domain section. Click on that Add Domain button to begin setting up your sending domain. Enter your domain name in the provided field. Choose the region that is closest to your target audience for optimal delivery. After entering the domain, click the Add Domain button to continue. Mailgun will now provide you with DNS records to configure. Open a new tab and log in to your domain registrar. Find the DNS settings or the management area for your domain. Copy the TXT record for SPF provided by Mailgun. Add this TXT record to your domain's DNS configuration. Next, copy the TXT record for DKIM from Mailgun. Again, add this TXT record to your DNS settings. Now, locate the name records from Mailgun. Add the name records to your DNS settings as instructed. After adding all required records, return to Mailgun. Depending on your registrar, it may take some time for DNS records to propagate. To verify the records, click on the Check DNS Records button in Mailgun. Once the DNS records are verified, note the webhook setting options. Configure any necessary webhooks for events such as deliveries and failures if needed. Now, head to the API Keys section to gather your API key. Copy the private API key for use in integrating Mailgun with your application. If you plan to send emails directly from your server, ensure you have the correct libraries installed. Refer to Mailgun's API documentation to choose the appropriate library for your programming language. Integrate the API key into your application according to the documentation guidelines. Finally, conduct a test email to confirm that your setup is working properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.